Good evening, everybody. Are you guys able to see me? Are you guys able to see me, guys? This is the first session of our foundation batch. और ये सेशन होने वाला है मिक्स लैंग्वेज में. वील यूज इंग्लिश एंड वील यूज हिंदी एज वेल. हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों को यूज करते हुए ये बैच चलने वाला है. तो ये बैच, दिस बैच इज फॉर एवरीबडी हु कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और हु कैन अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी. दोनों के लिए ये बैच होने वाला है. ठीक है. Now, today's session is going to be very basic, in which I am going to talk about. मैं आप लोगों से बात करने वाला हूं इस फाउंडेशन बैच को लेके. What is the objective of this foundation batch and what we are going to do. हम क्या करने वाले हैं और क्या इस इनिशिएटिव का ऑब्जेक्टिव है, इस बारे में we'll discuss today. Okay, so guys, First thing, everybody share this as much as possible. This is a new beginning. ये एक नई शुरुआत है. ये एक नई शुरुआत है where we are building the foundation stone for you. And this batch is very important for diploma students, for the students who have just entered engineering. अगर आप अभी इंजीनियरिंग में आए हो तो ये बैच आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत ज्यादा. ठीक है. एंड गाइस, बी पेशेंट. एज आई हैव टोल्ड, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इन अ मिक्स लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश एज वेल एज हिंदी. तो मैं कोई रिक्वेस्ट आप लोगों की एंटरटेन नहीं करने वाला हूं कि सर इंग्लिश में बोलिए या हिंदी में बोलिए. ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एंटरटेन एनी सच रिक्वेस्ट. So my friend, where are your friends? Where are your friends, your colleagues? Very less students are there. And those students who are there, make sure that you hit the like button, guys. Break the like button. Break the like button. Hit as many times as possible. I want to see how far is this initiative reaching. कहां तक हमारी आवाज पहुंच रही है, ये मुझे देखना है. उसके लिए आपका लाइक बटन दबाना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. ठीक है. इज दैट क्लियर गाइस? एज आई टोल्ड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एंटरटेन एनी रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ हिंदी इंग्लिश. ये मिक्स लैंग्वेज में होने वाला है एंड यू हैव टू बियर विद इट. ओके. अगर मैं इंग्लिश में पढ़ाऊंगा तो नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टूडेंट बोलेंगे सर हिंदी में पढ़ा दो. हिंदी में पढ़ाऊंगा तो बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में पढ़ा दो. तो भाई मैं एक ही हूं. ठीक है. तो एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट ही पढ़ा सकता हूं. So whatever I am teaching, it is going to be in a mixed language. It will be understandable to both segments. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, before starting this session, let me tell you about myself. I am Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 in GATE 2014 and 2018 in electrical engineering, and I am working as a director at Unacademy for GATE examination. And I have more than 7 years teaching experience now. Okay, so I deal with electrical engineering. और ये चैनल इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर्स का है. दिस चैनल इज फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर्स. और इसी वजह से आई विल बी टीचिंग यू द बेसिक्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल, so that guys, you have a command in the basics and then you can learn engineering. Okay. So I'll explain you the course curriculum in this lecture, the strategy that I am going to follow and how this is going to benefit you all. This all I am going to discuss in this session. So guys, first of all, let me tell you, if you join Unacademy Plus, what you get live classes daily, running in morning and evening. You get crash courses for the exam. You get rank improvement batches. You get English and Hindi batches separately. You get doubt clearing weekly quizzes. And now, my friend, those of you who are in college, we are running even semester batches. तो आपका सेमेस्टर का परसेंटेज भी सुधर जाएगा. Your semester marks will improve. And that is why, my friends, you need to join an academy as soon as possible. So let us start our discussion about this batch. Okay, let us start our discussion. Let me see, where will I get the pen? Let me see, guys, if I can get the pen in this Google slide. Okay, I am checking. Yes, 12th स्टूडेंट वाले भी इसमें फायदा ले सकते हैं। और इसके अलावा जो बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग में जस्ट एंटर हुए हैं, दे कैन ऑल्सो बी बेनिफिटेड बाय दिस। आई डोंट नो हाउ आई कैन राइट टेक्स्ट इन दिस। Okay, the plant at the top, guys, that plant represents that we are trying to grow you from your roots. Okay, and that is what that plant represents. So my friends, I now think you must be able to see me. There was a technical glitch due to which you were not able to see me. ओके, सो नाउ चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस बैच। What is the objective that we have? Guys, the objective of this batch is to make you fall in love with engineering. Okay. Now many students I see that they have entered engineering by chance. Okay, they have entered engineering by chance, and that is why I want them to fall in love with engineering. And for that I want to explain you the basics of the subject very well. Now, who is this course for? Now, course is for diploma students with lateral entry, Okay. Other than this, first or second year students who have just started their journey of engineering and are finding it difficult to lay their foot. Why they are finding difficult? Because they did not focus that much or they did not get the proper guidance in +2. जिन बच्चों को प्रॉपर टीचिंग नहीं मिल पाई या जिन बच्चों को प्रॉपर गाइडेंस नहीं मिल पाई +2 के अंदर, ये बैच उन बच्चों के लिए है जिन्हें प्रॉपर गाइडेंस नहीं मिली। ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन दिस बैच, what will we do? The simple answer to this question, my friend, is that we will learn physics and maths required for engineering. Only that much we will learn, that much is required for engineering. I am not going to teach you all the topics of physics, but what I am going to teach you is what is required to start your journey of engineering, such as the electrical engineers need the physics that is based on electricity and magnetism. Electronics engineer will need additional knowledge of semiconductors along with it. So all those things we are going to do. and my team will be actively involved with this. So what is the team? What is the team, everybody? So the team in this initiative is me, mainly me and Vishal Soni sir. Okay. Vishal Soni sir will take care of your mathematics needs and I will take care of your physics need. Okay. So guys, in this thing we are going to teach you daily from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. whatever are the basics required for engineering. And then we will have guest lecture from other faculties of our team. They will also take some portion of this, like some other educator can take 1 or 2 chapters out of what I am going to teach you. And my objective is that after completing this course, you guys must be ready to face engineering problems. Okay. So my friends, this is for those who are lacking in the basic. Clearly I have told, for those who are lacking in the basic. Okay. Now, some of you are asking when this course will start. This course starts today, right now. Okay, so let me tell you the curriculum that I am going to teach. Let me tell you about it. पहले आप सभी लोग मुझे बताओ, आर यू गाइज एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस? Are you guys excited for this? Are you guys excited for this initiative? Is everybody ready? Yes, I am coming to the topics covered. Okay, let us see the topics that I am going to cover. The first thing that I will be starting from is electrostatics from basic level. Like in this electrostatics, we will cover the concept of charge. We will cover the concept of Coulomb's law. We will cover electric field, not from engineering perspective, but from physics perspective. We will cover potential. We will cover Gauss law. We will cover capacitance. Okay. All these things we are going to cover. And my friend, now you must be thinking, sir, what is the difference from the EMT course already running on this channel? Guys, this is going to be very, very different. Why? Because here our total focus will be on the basic, very, very basic. Like what is Coulomb's law, how Coulomb's law works, how Coulomb's law is applied, what is charge, what are the properties of charge, how charging and discharging go on. All these very basic things we are going to cover. The second topic that I am going to come with will be your current electricity. Now in this current electricity, what we are going to do? We are going to study the concept of current, the concept of resistance, the concept of symmetry, the concept of battery, cell, battery, everything my friends, we are going to understand everything. ठीक है, लेक्चर मेरे भाई हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स होंगे, कंप्लीट इंग्लिश में भी नहीं होगा और कंप्लीट हिंदी में भी नहीं होगा, और जो इंग्लिश यूज की जाएगी वो इंग्लिश एकदम बेसिक यूज होगी. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द वेरी बेसिक टर्म्स इन इंग्लिश so that you guys understand. Okay, and in this current electricity we will also cover the concepts of Wheatstone bridge. Okay, how to find equivalent resistance, some sort of KVL KCL. Okay, nodal and mesh. These things we are going to cover. Then the next thing that I am going to tell you is the thermal effects of current, that is the Joule's law, how current produces heat, thermal effect of current. And after covering thermal effect of current, we are going to move to magnetism. In magnetism, guys, I am going to talk about Ampere's law, Biot-Savart's law. Okay, I am going to talk about magnetic field generation, then charge in a magnetic field, current in a magnetic field, but I am going to only cover these topics as far as you need them in engineering. Then I'll also tell you the concept of magnetic material and permanent magnet. This also we will cover. Magnetic material and permanent magnet. Okay. Then the next thing that we are going to cover is electromagnetic induction. Okay, guys. And after this what we are going to cover is alternating current. So this will complete, ये आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और मैग्नेटिज्म की पूरी यूनिट को कंप्लीट कर देगा. After that, what we are going to start with is the basics of semiconductors. Okay, the basics of semiconductors. So that way, my friends, you are going to get the knowledge that is required by a student when he is entering engineering. I want all of you engineers, I want all engineers to be ready to face that in the college, to be ready to face it. And you will be ready to face it only if your foundation stone is laid. Just like 9th and 10th is the foundation stone for 11th and 12th. Your 11th and 12th is the foundation stone for engineering. I want that to be very solid, but only those concepts which you will encounter in the engineering. Okay. And daily the timing will be 9 PM to 10 PM from Monday to Saturday. Okay. Now tell me, guys, after listening to the curriculum, how you guys are feeling about this batch? What is the feeling in my foundation batch students about the timing, about the curriculum of this batch? Yes, notes will be provided. Notes will be provided definitely. This will be provided on my Telegram channel. Here you have to join the channel. Here you have to join the channel. T.me GATE AIR 1. Now let me tell you about the fees of this batch. First of all, this is not free. This is not free. Now you might be thinking, we thought that this is free. No, my friend, this is not free. There are two currencies in which we are going to deal. Like and share. Like and share. Okay. Like and share. Now guys, what I want from you all is an attendance. From 500 students daily. That is the objective. And the students from the south, जो बच्चे मेरे south से हैं, you keep telling me to teach in English, and for you guys, I have made it a mixed language. Now, if I don't get the crowd from the south, I am going to change it to Hindi. As simple as that. For you only, when I got multiple requests, I changed the medium to English. वरना मेरे नॉर्थ वाले बच्चे जो यहाँ ज्यादा तादाद में हैं, they are very very happy to learn in Hindi. They are in huge numbers and they are happy to learn in Hindi. Okay. But now, if you want it to continue in English, you have to make it successful. What I have seen is, my south crowd is very very passive in spreading the initiative. They don't spread the initiative that well. And my friends, if you are not spreading the initiative, then you are failing this. And I don't want to fail. I don't want my effort, my initiatives to fail. So I'll do everything I can to make it reach the maximum people, to benefit the maximum people. I want maximum live students. And for that to happen, you have to share as much as possible. Devarati, we can add communication later on, not an issue. Please don't post the same comment again and again. Okay. चलिए स्टार्ट करें भाई, स्टार्ट करें सेशन को। तो अब मैंने आपको बेसिक क्लैरिटी दे दी है। अगर आपको और कोई क्लैरिटी चाहिए, इफ यू नीड एनी मोर क्लैरिटी, प्लीज टेल मी, देन वी विल प्रोसीड टू द बेसिक। एंड माय फ्रेंड्स, जिसने भी अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया है, तो इस इनिशिएटिव को आप फेल कर रहे हो, गुनाह है ये, ठीक है। तो जल्दी से जल्दी लाइक कर दो सारे लोग, और तुरंत जाकर के आज क्या करोगे, आज इस वीडियो को आप इंस्टाग्राम पे एज अ स्टोरी शेयर करोगे और मुझे टैग करोगे। मुझे कैसे टैग करोगे? SSGIIT। इफ यू बिलीव इन दिस इनिशिएटिव, अगर आपको भरोसा है मुझ पे और मेरे इस इनिशिएटिव पे, अगर आपको लगता है ये फाउंडेशन बैच सक्सेसफुल होने वाला है, तो यू विल शेयर अ इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी विद दिस वीडियो, and you will tag me. Let us make this initiative reach each and every corner of this country. Let us make engineers great. Let us prove the mettle of the engineers in our country. दिखाते हैं दम हमारे इंजीनियर्स में कितना दम है, और वो दम दिखाने के लिए बेटा आपकी जड़ें मुझे मजबूत करनी पड़ेंगी, और उसके लिए मैं अपना 1 घंटा डेली देने के लिए तैयार हूं। आई एम विलिंग टू डिवोट 1 hour ऑफ माई लाइफ डेली। सो आर यू विलिंग टू बिकम ग्रेट? आर यू विलिंग टू बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल इंजीनियर? आर यू विलिंग टू बिकम समवन हु एवरीवन टेक्स एन एग्जांपल ऑफ? क्या आप सबके लिए एग्जाम्पल बनना चाहते हो? और मेरे भाई, एग्जाम्पल बनने में अभी तक किसी ने फीस नहीं दी है, पहली क्लास चालू हो गई, लाइक कहां है? क्लास की फीस रोज लगेगी, ये महीने में एक बार देने वाली फीस नहीं है। ये रोज लगने वाली फीस है. You have to pay daily. How to pay? Every day I want to see the status. I want to see the Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere I want to see you sharing this video, and then only this initiative can survive. It is one of a kind. No one has ever thought about diploma student or the students who are weak in engineering to teach them the basic. But yes, me and my team, we think on these lines. And guys, we are doing effort more than anyone else can. You know that today I'll be teaching for more than 7 hours online. And you know what is the difference between offline teaching and online teaching? Offline में हम बच्चों को नोट करने का टाइम देते हैं. Offline में हम लोग थोड़ी देर शांत भी होते हैं. लेकिन online teaching is all about speaking the entire time. And that too with very, very high energy, so that you guys are retained in the session, you guys are understanding, you guys are enjoying the session. So that really takes so much toll on the body. Literally it is draining. And if we are still doing this, why we are doing this? Why my team is doing everything they can for you? Just because they want to make the engineers successful. They want to make the students on this channel successful. Okay. So now, guys, what is this obsession about whiteboard? Obviously, the writing is more clear and you don't need to take printouts in this batch. This is not something that you will carry to your GATE exam. This is something that will help you learn engineering. Tell me the reason why should I use whiteboard? If it is more attractive, it is more engaging on blackboard. If it was about the notes that you have to take the printout, then I would totally agree that you need whiteboard. Totally agreed. Okay. And that is why regular classes are going on whiteboard. But guys, this batch is about making you fall in love with engineering. It is not about taking the printout of the notes and reading from that printout. And that is why it will go on a blackboard. So let us start. My friends. So the first thing that we have to start is the study of electrostatics. Now what is this electrostatic? Electrostatic से आप लोग क्या समझते हो? जल्दी से मुझे चैट में बताओ, आप लोग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक से क्या समझते हो? जल्दी से बताओ, चैट के अंदर सभी लोग टाइप करना स्टार्ट कर दो. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक से क्या समझते हैं सब लोग? अब सबसे पहला आंसर आएगा मेरे पास दैट इट इज द स्टडी ऑफ चार्ज एट रेस्ट. ये मेरे पास सबसे पहला आंसर आएगा. ठीक है. And I think this will be the only answer that I'll get. Okay. Let me see what you guys have posted. So my friends, this definition is actually incorrect. This is not correct. What is meant by electrostatic is the study of properties possessed by the charge when it is at rest, as well as in motion. Okay. That means the properties like electric field, electric potential, these properties do not go away when the charge is moving. So if you say we just study the properties that are the properties at rest, then my friend, you are mistaken. Then you are heavily mistaken. These are the properties that the charge possesses when it is at rest and when it is at motion. When it is at rest and when it is at motion, everywhere the properties possessed are studied under electrostatics. So my friend, when I start electrostatics, I will talk to you basically about charge first of all. I need to make you understand what is the meaning of charge and how a charge is defined. Okay. Is that clear to everybody? Is that clear up to here? Okay. Now, let us start the study of charge. Okay. Now, what is charge? Many people, बहुत से बच्चे इसको ना एग्जैक्टली डिफाइन नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, चार्ज हम लोग फील करते हैं, चार्ज हम लोग देखते भी हैं, बट वी डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन, हाउ टू डिफाइन इट. एंड गाइस, इट इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल टू डिफाइन इट. इट इज द property of a body, property of a body by virtue of loss or gain of electrons. Loss or gain of electrons. Okay. तो अगर कोई बॉडी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को लूज करती है या इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को गेन करती है, देन इट एक्वायर्स चार्ज, देन इट एक्वायर्स चार्ज. नाउ गाइस, व्हाट हैपेंस इज an atom is generally neutral. How it is neutral? How it is neutral, guys? क्योंकि इसके अंदर जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं या जितना नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है उतना ही पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है. द अमाउंट ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज इज इक्वल टू द अमाउंट ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज. नाउ all of you must be knowing about the Bohr's model. Bohr's model, ये आप लोगों ने केमिस्ट्री में कभी ना कभी तो देखा होगा. So what does Bohr's model say? It says that there is a nucleus, and all around the nucleus we have electrons rotating in circular orbit. We have electron rotating in circular orbit. Now the nucleus of the atom, this is the nucleus. What it contains is neutron plus proton, and these neutrons and protons are held together. They are held together by nuclear force, okay. They are held together by a nuclear force, and that is why they stay inside the nucleus. Now in a neutral atom, number of electrons is equal to number of protons, तो दैट इज वाई कि यार प्रोटॉन्स पे जितना पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा उतना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पे नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा और नेट चार्ज हो जाएगा जीरो. नेट चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा मेरे भाई? जीरो. सो नाउ गाइस, व्हाट हैपेंस if atom loses electron, then number of electron will be less than number of protons. Okay, number of electron will be less than number of proton. Now if number of electrons are less, that means negative charge is less than positive charge. If the negative charge is less than positive charge, it means that there is net positive charge. There is net positive charge on atom. ओवरऑल चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. अब अगर कोई एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर ले, अगर कोई एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर ले, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का तादाद, इलेक्ट्रॉन का नंबर प्रोटॉन से ज्यादा होगा. अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन या नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल ज्यादा हुए तो नेगेटिव चार्ज इज ग्रेटर देन पॉजिटिव चार्ज, और इससे बन जाएगा नेट नेगेटिव चार्ज. नेट नेगेटिव चार्ज. दोस्तों अगर आपको मुझसे अनअकैडमी से रिलेटेड कुछ भी पूछना है, अनअकैडमी से रिलेटेड आप कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हो, तो मुझे फेसबुक या इंस्टा पे मैसेज कर देना. मेरा फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम आईडी में आपको देता रहता हूं लगातार, SSG IIT, ठीक है. या फिर आप इस नंबर पे भी कॉल कर सकते हो, ठीक है. इस नंबर पे भी कॉल कर सकते हो इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू अनअकैडमी, ठीक है गाइस. साउंड स्लो है, मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि साउंड स्लो होनी चाहिए. कल्याणी, व्हाई शुड वी यूज अ व्हाइट बोर्ड? व्हाई शुड वी यूज अ व्हाइट बोर्ड? Yes, Tarak, even class 12th student can listen to these lectures. They can listen to these lectures. Okay. Now my friends, let us understand. Now we know how the charge is gained. Positive charge is gained by the loss of electrons and negative charge is gained by the gain of electrons. Okay. Negative charge is gained by the gain of electrons. So what I will say is charge on one electron is this you must be knowing it. Charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. That means if an electrons are transferred, चाहे वो गेन हो या लॉस हो, अगर n इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हो रहे हैं मेरे भाई, if n electrons are being transferred, the charge will become n into E. The charge will be n into E. The charge is represented by Q and it has a unit coulomb. The charge is represented by Q and it has a unit coulomb. So the net charge will be n into E. N into E. And this you can call as the quantization of charge. That is, charge will always exist in multiples of E. In multiples of E. Okay. देखो, n इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर का मतलब है या तो गेन या तो लूज. तो आप यहां प्लस माइनस लगा दो. प्लस भी आ सकता है, माइनस भी आ सकता है, तो प्लस माइनस NE. It can be positive, it can be negative, depending upon whether it gains or loses the electron. So guys, my objective of this session, the first session, is to introduce to you what kind of content are we going to deal with, at what level, at what basic level we are going to go. कितनी जड़ तक जाने वाले हैं, ये बात समझ आ रही है सब लोगों को? थोड़ा सा ये देख के आइडिया लगा कितनी बेसिक लेवल तक जाने वाले हैं. और इसमें आपको इतना बढ़िया ग्राफिकल कंटेंट देने वाला हूं कि आपको मजा आ जाएगा देख करके, आपको रियली फील आ जाएगी, आप विजुअलाइज कर लोगे कि कैसे ये चीजें काम करती हैं, कैसे. और मैं आपको एक अपनी स्टोरी सुनाता हूं. चलो इसी बात पे एक अपनी स्टोरी सुनाता हूं कि आई नेवर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर EMT फॉर गेट एग्जामिनेशन. आई नेवर प्रिपेयर्ड इट. व्हाई? आई वाज एन IITian and I was very good at physics. I was very good at physics. So what I felt is when I looked at the previous year problems, that they were more or less same as the physics problems for JEE. Like it was similar to the physics problems for JEE. So when I saw that, then I saw that I can solve most of those problems. And that is why, guys, when I entered engineering and I started with the subjects like EMT, network analysis, I was very, very comfortable in that. Why I was comfortable? Because I was good at physics. Now, my friend, if you complete this foundation batch, I can guarantee you that you will be able to do very well in EMT, and you will be able to understand the concepts behind the subjects like network analysis, analog electronics, EDC, and the concept behind EMT. You will be able to understand that. And once you have that solid foundation, whatever you will learn on top of it, that will be retained. So my friends, if you are looking to be one of the top engineers in the country, the best engineer in the country, make sure that the foundation is very, very solid, and that is why we are talking about the foundation batch. Okay. Nagendra, what I feel is I get better handwriting in blackboard as compared to whiteboard. Okay. व्हाइट बोर्ड से ज्यादा अच्छा हैंडराइटिंग मेरा ब्लैक बोर्ड पे आता है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. और इस बैच के अंदर लक्ष्मण, मैं सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहता हूं कि मैं आप लोगों का बेसिक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करने वाला हूं. तो बस आपको क्या करना है, डेली का अपना 1 घंटा देना है. और अगर आपको लगता है आप मुझसे भी ज्यादा बिजी हो और वो 1 घंटा नहीं दे सकते, तो मेरे दोस्त, मैं आपको इंजीनियरिंग में मदद नहीं कर सकता. बट अगर आप एक टॉप इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हो, आप एक ऐसे इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हो who really understand engineering, then you have to give 1 hour each day to me in this foundation batch. Okay. So my friends, what I'll do now is I'll wind up this session, and tonight we are again meeting at 10:30 on this YouTube channel, and I'll tell you about the procedure for revision. So if any of you wants to join Unacademy, download the Unacademy learning app. Why to download? Because a lot of free content is there, my friend. We are running a lot of free content. We are giving daily live classes for free. Like at 4 p.m. daily, I am teaching AC analysis of network for free. And this Sunday, I will be teaching transfer function and signal flow graph for free. And then click on GATE and ESE. Then if you want to join the revolution, if you want to be the top engineer, if you want to get the top rank in GATE, click on get subscription. Only those students will click on get subscription who want to get the best rank in GATE. If you are one of them, don't hesitate. Click on get subscription. And then choose the 1-year plan, my friend. We'll cover multiple exams, GATE, ESE, ISRO, BARC, NLC, everything we will cover under one subscription. And now even semester exams I am going to cover in this subscription. And then choose this plan. This is not more than 60 rupees a day, and this is not more than 40 rupees a day. And then apply the code of your favorite educator, Ankit ESE. If you believe in the content that I am giving, if you believe in the teaching that I am giving, then use the code Ankit ESE. This really motivates me to give you more and more content and to build your career. And guys, you can pay by credit, debit card, EMI, net banking. And those of you who are financially challenged, they can pay by debit card EMI on HDFC Bank or Bajaj Finserv. But again, make sure the code that you use is Ankit ESE. Is that clear? And guys, this is a group that we have on Facebook in which all the doubts will be cleared. So join this. You will find many like-minded engineers that will help you during this engineering. And this is the channel, Telegram channel, where we are giving all the PDF. And my personal Telegram channel is this. If you want to learn from me, this is my Telegram channel. You have to come here. And my Facebook and Instagram is simply SSGIIT. Okay. And you can follow me on Unacademy. My profile link is in description. So you can follow me. This is my profile name on Unacademy. Here also I am taking free classes, guys. And these are our other channels. Like for electrical, we have for mechanical. Spread it to your mechanical friends. Then civil, then SSC, computer science, we have for previous year questions as well. Guys, all these channels are there. So tell, हल्ला मचा दो अपने कॉलेज के अंदर, सारे इंजीनियर्स को पता होना चाहिए कि हमारी टीम चैनल पे पढ़ा रही है, सारी ब्रांचेस कवर कर रही है और बेस्ट कंटेंट आपको दे रही है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। तो इस चीज का तो हल्ला मच जाना चाहिए मेरे भाई, इंडिया के कोने कोने में पहुंच जानी चाहिए आवाज, ठीक है। और किसी का कोई भी क्वेश्चन है मैसेज में, ठीक है, या फिर कॉल लगा लेना इस नंबर पे, बेहिचक कॉल लगा लेना, सारी बातें समझाई जाएंगी बहुत बढ़िया से आपको समझाया जाएगा। और भाई मेरे सब्सक्राइब करके रखो इस चैनल को, आपको पता नहीं है ये चैनल कितना मचाने वाला है, आप और हम मिलके कितना मचाने वाले हैं, तो बिल्कुल सब्सक्राइब करके रखना इस चैनल को और घंटी बजा देना जिससे कि आपको नोटिफिकेशन आता रहे, और एक एक वीडियो को शेयर करके वायरल बनाना ये आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। सो थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, आई विल मीट यू सून एट 10:30 PM with a session on revision.